Hello friends, I'm here with a brand new video. So I'm gonna show you how to change your channel name. So sometime you may need to change your channel name. So I'm gonna show you that from where you can change your channel name. So this is my interface. So already I logged in my channel. So first you click here, then go to my channel and then go to customize channel. Now click video manager. Then you go to channel, then advanced. So as you can see, this is the channel name Jostech BD, and beside of this name here is the option change. Click here. So go to edit. It may take some time. So as you can see here, Jostech and last name BD, and display my name as. So I will change here R A N Ran 360 degree. 360 degree. So here actually show what will be your name lastly. So Ran 360 degree. So now I will click here, change your channel name. Actually Google asking me for changing. So yes, I want to change my channel name. So change name. If I reload, see, here is the channel name showing Ran 360 degree.